This essay example, as well as thousands of others, is available in text format on our website for free and without registration. Simply Google Ivy Panda Free Essays.
There are many environmental concerns faced by the human race. These concerns are defined as the environmental problems that directly or indirectly affect human beings. There is a need, therefore, to work on these environmental problems to reduce their impacts. Climate change is one of the major concerns facing human beings globally. Ozone layer depletion and loss of biodiversity have also negatively affected the human race, thus calling for strategies to combat these environmental issues. Other environmental concerns are in reference to land degradation and pollution, among others. The following discussion is inclusive of the first three concerns. Ozone layer depletion occurring at the stratosphere, which contains the ozone gas, has led to direct ultraviolet rays reaching the Earth's surface. Oxygen molecules present in the stratosphere absorb harmful ultraviolet waves. The depletion of the ozone layer occurs when the gas is broken down by increased chlorine compounds in the atmosphere, which are man-made, and also the bromine compounds. The direct reach of ultraviolet (UV) rays to human beings has increased diseases such as skin cancer and eye problems. There has also been an increase in infectious diseases. Ultraviolet rays also cause drying up plants, which are the major primary source of food for humans. Ultraviolet rays affect aquatic life, such as fish, which are also a source of food to human beings. Climate change is the change in temperatures either by increase or decrease. The increase in temperature, which has led to global warming, is the major concern facing human beings regarding climate change. Anthropogenic activities are, however, the major cause of climate change on global warming out of increased deforestation by the increasing population, increased release of fossil fuel, and the greenhouse gases such as chlorofluorocarbons, which increases the greenhouse effect. The further implications to human beings are the increase in sea levels, which causes flooding, thus loss of human lives, displacements, and loss of properties. There is also a decrease in water resources due to changes in evaporation, thus lowering the agricultural output. Human beings are then faced with food shortages leading to hunger, nutritional diseases, and deaths. Loss of biodiversity, which is the decrease of species in ecosystems, is also among the major concern faced by the human race. Human beings are the major cause of loss of biodiversity through habitat destruction, such as clearing of forest cover, burning of the bush, which kills the active microorganisms in the soil, and dumping of wastes in water resources, which endangers aquatic life. Biodiversity promotes better lives for human beings, such as ecosystem services through climate stability, a role played by trees, and soil formation by microorganisms. Loss of biodiversity is also inclusive of the decrease of biological resources to human-like plants, which are a source of food and medicines. Sociological benefits are also lost as biodiversity is used by humans for education, recreation, and cultural values. In conclusion, human beings are the major contributors to the environmental issues which have raised concerns. There are, however, natural factors that have led to environmental concerns, but their impact is too minimal compared to those caused by human beings. The human race is therefore faced with the challenge of reducing environmental issues. On climate change, there is a need to practice reforestation and use electric, solar, and wind energy to replace fossil fuels, thus reducing the greenhouse effect. On ozone layer depletion, just like climate change, there is a need to reduce the release of carbons such as chlorofluorocarbons. It is also important for humans to protect the existing species by reducing the dumping of untreated waste in water resources and clearing forests, at the same time opting for better farming methods other than burning. If you want to find more works like this essay on environmental concerns in the modern world, head over to ivypanda.com. It has a collection of samples with thousands of submissions covering virtually all academic subjects.